So what is full stack Python? Full stack Python is a combination of front-end technologies and back-end technologies, which are helpful in developing web applications in companies. So what you learn in front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, AngularJS, these are called as front-end technologies, which are used in developing user interface for web application. So what you see in browser is called as a user interface, and that you develop it using front-end technologies. And also you're learning back-end technologies like Django, Flask, RestAPI. Now these are helpful in back-end to process the data which is input using front-end technologies. And not only that, you will be learning data science modules like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, which are very much helpful in building data science related applications. And who can learn this full stack Python? So anyone can learn this full stack Python. So either technical or not technical, anyone can learn this particular course. You are not only learning the course, preparing for interviews. So you'll be working on different online platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, and CodeChat. Because nowadays the companies they are conducting technical round online. So in online, you should know how to work with online platforms, how to read the questions, how to analyze the questions, and how to solve the problems in different ways. So you'll be learning all this as a part of your course. It means this course is not only just learning the course, we are also providing you how to prepare for the interviews. It means at the end of this course, you can able to apply various jobs like Python developer, front-end developer, back-end developer, and even you can apply as a business analyst or data analyst.